Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to take your driving experience to the next level? Whether you're looking to capture those scenic drives or protect yourself on the road, a reliable dashcam is a must-have in 2025. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dashcams that will give you crystal clear footage, advanced features, and unbeatable value. Let's dive in. I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Rove R2-4K Pro. This dashcam packs a punch with 4K Ultra HD video resolution, ensuring every detail on the road is captured. With features like built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and a mobile app, it's incredibly user-friendly. And the best part? It's budget-friendly without skimping on quality. Perfect for drivers who want premium features at an affordable price. Offering 4K Ultra HD recording at 2160p at 30 FPS. This advanced dashcam captures every detail with stunning clarity, day or night. Record in 2160p at 30 FPS or 2.5K at 60 FPS for sharp and vivid videos that capture every moment on the road. Equipped with a f1.5 aperture and WDR technology, this dashcam excels even in low-light conditions. Pair your dashcam effortlessly with 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Using the Rove app, view, download, and share your videos instantly. You can also customize settings and update the firmware over the air for free. Track your driving routes, locations, and speeds with GPS data embedded directly into your recordings. Real-time speed and compass details are displayed on the dashcam's 2.4-inch IPS screen for added convenience. The advanced Super Night Vision technology ensures unparalleled performance in low-light settings, capturing clear details even during nighttime drives. The 24-hour custom parking mode offers motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse options to monitor your vehicle when parked. With voice-guided alerts, you'll know if an event occurred while you were away. Built with a supercapacitor for extended product life, the R2-4K Pro includes emergency video lock, loop recording, a 150 degrees wide-angle 7-glass lens, G-sensor, and support for microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes. Coming in at number 4, we have the Garmin Dashcam 67W. Known for its reliability and compact design, this dashcam offers a wide 180-degree field of view, capturing everything happening on the road. It features voice control, cloud storage, and Garmin's signature quality. If you want a dashcam that checks all the boxes, this is your go-to. With a 1440p resolution and a remarkable 180-degree field of view, it captures every detail on the road in stunning clarity. This ultra-compact dashcam blends seamlessly into your vehicle, providing a low-profile installation that goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield. Equipped with an extra-wide 180-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, it records detailed 1440p HD video, delivering crisp and clear visuals in both daylight and low-light conditions. Enjoy hands-free operation with voice commands available in multiple languages. Save videos, start/stop audio recording, and even take still pictures using simple spoken commands. Automatically upload saved videos via Wi-Fi to Garmin's secure online vault. Access, view, and share your recordings anytime through the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Monitor your parked vehicle with a parking guard, which detects and alerts you to incidents around your car. Perfect for peace of mind when you're away. Remotely access live footage from your dash cam using the Garmin Drive app. Stay connected to your vehicle wherever you are, provided it has a constant power supply and active Wi-Fi. Features like forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and speed camera notifications help improve driving awareness and encourage safer habits on the road. Now, let's talk luxury with the Nextbase IQ, our pick for the best premium dash cam. This smart dash cam isn't just about recording, it's about predicting and preventing issues. With AI-driven features, real-time alerts, and app connectivity, it's like having a personal assistant for your car. Perfect for those who want cutting-edge technology and peace of mind. Whether you're monitoring your vehicle remotely or ensuring driver safety on the road, This dual dash cam system delivers unparalleled performance and convenience. Capture every detail with smooth 1080p HD front and rear video and 1440p resolution for enhanced clarity. The built-in infrared cabin camera ensures comprehensive coverage even in low light, capturing license plates, road signs, and passenger activity. Utilize spatial awareness and AI to receive instant threat alerts and monitor movement around your parked vehicle. With the ability to act in real time, you can intervene with a voice command or alarm for enhanced security. Set speed and location limits, and stay informed if they are exceeded. Through the Nextbase IQ app, access live front and rear feeds, communicate with drivers, and maintain control over your vehicle even when you're not behind the wheel. Feeling unsafe? Simply activate witness mode with a voice command, and the dash cam will record and share live footage with a trusted contact, ensuring you're never alone in a moment of need. In the event of an accident, the dash cam can dispatch emergency services with your location and medical details, ensuring rapid assistance when it's most needed. Access advanced analytics to review recordings with speed and movement data from surrounding vehicles, providing invaluable evidence to support your claims in any incident. And number 2 is the Nextbase 622 gigawatts. It's an absolute powerhouse with 4K recording, enhanced night vision, and even built-in image stabilization for smoother videos. Plus, with Alexa integration and emergency SOS, it's packed with features that make it a worthy runner-up. Whether you're recording for security or capturing road adventures, this dashcam delivers exceptional performance, day or night. Enjoy ultra-high-definition 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, capturing the finest details like license plates and road signs. Additional recording options include 1440p HD at 60 frames per second and 1080p HD at 120 frames per second. When paired with the rear module, record in 4K front and 1080p rear for comprehensive coverage. Stay prepared with 3 words integration, offering precise global location data even offline. This feature ensures you can easily communicate your location to emergency services or loved ones when needed. The image stabilization technology reduces vibrations and ensures crystal clear recordings, capturing every detail in a smooth, distortion-free video. Replay critical moments with the super slow motion feature at 120 frames per second. Advanced sensors with larger pixels allow more light intake, providing superior night vision for clearer images in low light. The extreme weather mode enables visibility through fog, ensuring reliable recordings even in challenging conditions. Access Alexa's vast range of skills directly from your dashcam. Use voice commands to play music, make calls, control smart devices, get directions, check weather updates, and much more, all without taking your hands off the wheel. Dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures ultra-fast video transfer to your phone via the My Nextbase Connect app, making sharing and reviewing footage effortless. And finally, the crown jewel of 2025, the Viofo A229 Pro takes the top spot as the best overall dashcam. This beast boasts 4K front and 2K rear recording, delivering unparalleled clarity. With Sony Starvis sensors for exceptional night performance, a sleek design, and advanced parking mode, the A229 Pro is the ultimate choice for drivers who want it all. Featuring triple cameras, Sony Starvis 2 sensors, and advanced HDR technology, this dashcam ensures exceptional performance in any lighting condition. Equipped with 2 flagship Sony Starvis 2 sensors, the A229 Pro supports 4K for the front camera, 2K for the rear, and 1080p for the cabin. Capture stunning cinematic quality footage with fine details, including license plates and road signs, day and night. Advanced HDR ensures a wider dynamic range, balancing highlights and shadows in all recordings. Whether you're driving in bright daylight or at night, the dashcam delivers crystal clear footage with enhanced detail, even at high speeds. The interior camera features infrared LED lights and a Sony Starvis sensor, ensuring sharp black and white footage in low light or completely dark environments, ideal for Uber, Lyft, or family trips. Hands-free operation with 12 intuitive voice commands lets you manage the dashcam effortlessly. Commands include taking photos, locking videos, and toggling Wi-Fi or audio. Voice notifications provide status updates, enhancing convenience and safety. Connect effortlessly to the Viofo app via high-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi for easy video preview, sharing, and configuration. The included circular polarizing lens reduces glare and reflections, delivering improved image quality and contrast. The quad-mode GPS module integrates seamlessly with GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS, ensuring precise location, speed, and timestamp data. Review detailed trip information on the app or computer for added convenience. So, there you have it, the top 5 best dash cams in 2025. Whether you're after affordability, premium features, or unbeatable performance, one of these options is sure to meet your needs. Ready to upgrade your driving experience? Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite dash cam today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more top tech picks, and let us know in the comments which dash cam you're excited about. Until next time, drive safe.